today we've got ourselves a camera system. This here rear view safety reverse with confidence. So we're gonna see what's in the box. So what we got in the box is, got our camera. Ooh, pretty. Camera visor, camera mount, monitor mount, some pokey bit hardware stuff. Got ourselves a condenser and the power ground and some trigger wire pigtail for the condenser. Got ourselves a manual, some camera wire to come up from the back, and some monitor wire to go from the condenser to the monitor. So let's get it in the truck and see how bad I can mess this up. All right, what I'm thinking is sticking the monitor right up here for now until I get my cubbyhole material that I ordered a month ago and is back order and is probably not going to show up for another month, but I need a backup camera because I've almost run into stuff. So I'm going to put the monitor right about here, run the wire over down there, and then y'all remember that episode where I took that whole section of the dash apart? Yeah, that was fun. I'm going to go ahead and do that again. A couple things have come out of this project. One is it looks like the heat from the turbo is cooking the crap out of the underside of the cab of the truck. So, putting in a heat blanket and some header wrap to try and cool this down and keep the heat in the pipe where it's supposed to be. Second port is dust caps. Okay, everything's got to be the jam and twist method. We're going to hide the camera condenser right up in there. And another thing I noticed is, I don't know if you can see it on camera, that little gap right there is caused because of the plate that I put in is pinched up against the dash. So let's tear the dash apart, take that out, and mill it down. And this is something I should have done the first time. Cool. Now come up 2.5 from the edge. That'll be perfect. There we go. Much better fit. Please ignore the color. That's the next video. That's pretty much par for the course on this project. No signal. And now we troubleshoot. Turns out we've got a busted cable, which is why the backup camera's not working. For all those YouTubers that do this
all the time in front of the camera or through the camera, my hat is off to you. Oh, look at that. Camera's upside down. Whoops. Looks a lot better with the camera up, right? And we're done.